today I want you to do something a little different. After you watch the Brain Pop on capitalization and you take the review quiz just for your own knowledge, I want you to click on and take the worksheet. I will have a link in your Google Slides. So when you click on the link, it's going to open up this worksheet and you can type on it. So it says to correct it, rewrite each sentence with correct capitalization. When you click on the blank, you are able to type in. So you're going to retype this sentence, capitalizing any words in it that may need to be capitalized. And you're going to continue doing this for each of these sentences that you see at the top. You do not have to do the write it at the bottom. Okay, so just the corrected sentences at the top. And there are 5 of them. Once you have completed that, you're going to go down to the print button, click on print, and then click print my work. If you click print blank, your answers aren't going to be there. So click on print my work, type your first and last name, whatever that may be, not my name, your name, and the class is ELA 4. It'll have today's date in it. I'm doing mine this afternoon, but yours will show tomorrow, the 28th. And then click OK. When you do that, a new tab is going to open up and it will have your completed answers. This box will open up to print. You're going to go to the destination and you're going to have to change it because it's probably going to have some printer that you have in your house. If you're on your Chromebook, it won't even say print. Actually, I'm not even sure if you can do this with Chromebook because it won't allow you to print. I'm hoping this will work. If it doesn't, let me know. But I'm hoping when you click on print and you go to destination, it is going to allow you to save to Google Drive. So if this works the way I think it should, click on Save to Google Drive. Notice it appears, and then come down and click Save. Okay? It has just saved a copy in your Google Drive. You can go however you get into Google Drive, whether you go back to class link, or if you go in through your email, or if you go in through Google Classroom. However, go to your Google Drive. I'm just going to go to my email real quick. And I'm going to pull up my little waffle and go to my drive. And that document that I just saved, printed, should be the very first one to appear in my Google Drive. So you just left click on it one time, right click, and it's going to give you these options. Then I want you to click on the share button, and when this screen pops up, you're going to do just like you did with your remote learning logs, and you're going to type in my email address, teresaroberts@severe.org. It should come up. Click on it. You're not going to uncheck anything. Leave that box checked. You don't have to give me a note because I will have this that will show up. And then you're simply going to click Send. And when you do that, an email is going to show up for me saying that I have a new message, and then I will know that you have turned that assignment in. Okay, this will be just for a completion grade. So this is just for you to practice capitalization in sentences before you go on to take the graded assessment for today. As always, if you have any questions, you know where I am.